My name is Zarek Jetta, and I participated in the Dale Carnegie Next Generation course of 2021. My journey through the course was eye-opening, motivating, and empowering. I met many new people and forged long-lasting friendships and connections. I was excited to have won Best Speaker of the Night during the course and won the highest achievement award at our graduation in Session 8. I thrived in this environment as I am a people's person and have a passion for learning and engaging with people. Participating in the course has allowed me to connect with my community, learn about different perspectives and experiences, and obtain an understanding in its entirety. We learned and expanded on discipline, self-growth, introspection, resilience, and adaptability, which are various qualities I attained and hope to grow. We were taught methods equipping us to engage in effective communication, logical thought processing, excellent negotiation, creative thinking, and opportunism, along with conversational skills. These qualities, along with my ambition to turn ideas into action, aligned with my vision of a successful CEO, which is a goal of mine I one day hope to achieve. We were tasked to work in groups through the course, which taught us compromise, understanding, and the importance of listening. Sharing and communicating within the group improved our interactions and group dynamics. We realized we were all working towards the same goal, which built trust and increased productivity for presentations. We also learned to understand and debate different perspectives. This simple yet crucial skill taught us a lot about ourselves and our team. I am grateful for the support, encouragement, and guidance of my friends, instructors, and my incredible coach, Joan De Beer, and would gladly await to attend another Dale Carnegie course in the near future. Thank you for the opportunity.